traveler fell to thieves and harm, alone, unloved, with no alarm. Yet mercy saw and did not stray, but touched his wounds and chose to stay. Go and do likewise, hearts of grace. See Christ within each wounded face. When hearts are moved by mercy's flame, we serve the Lord in Jesus' name.